What if I take the whole box?
$100.
You selling the golf club separate?
I'd rather sell a whole set.
Hey, what's up and welcome to the channel. My name is Josh and we're gonna hit up a few garage sales, yard sales, whatever you call them in your area, to see what we can find to flip and sell on eBay. It's what we do, me and my wife, full time. But these yard sales worked out pretty good. Gambled on one, and the guy running the yard sale helped me make more money on another one. But right now, we're gonna flip it over to those yard sales.
Got a good deal for you do on 4 of these. All 4 of them.
$10 a piece.
Are these better than those other ones?
Can't beat that. The one is our way there belongs to Lowe's.
Guess this is all that you had left, huh?
That's it.
What are you asking on them?
You want $1 a piece?
What if I take the whole box?
$100? No.
Say like 20 bucks.
I'll go 30.
Meet me at 25?
Yeah,
and I'll still pick out some other stuff, maybe.
I ain't gonna cry.
So definitely the gamble buy was $25 for this box. And, you know, I could tell he sold a lot of the good stuff out of here. I mean, there's a few decent titles here and there. There was a lot of kind of odds and ends stuff. And that's why sometimes it's a gamble, especially when I can tell. He told me he did this yard sale a few weeks prior, sold off some of the good stuff, but it's still okay to check it all out. This one is just a fun one that I will keep. Personally, I love that cover with Punisher and Venom. This one I will give to my buddy. Huge Moon Knight fan. He has been for 12, 15 years. It's a newer one, but it's a #1 issue, so it's pretty cool. These I definitely want to lot up and put together. Namor. If you know anything about Marvel movies coming out, in the next Black Panther movie, Namor will be in there. So these may just get lotted up. No special issues here, but just to lot them all together and get a few bucks. But this one right here pretty much pays for the box. It's not in bad condition, not in the greatest at all. It's not even in a you know, doesn't have a board back or anything, but 20 bucks probably will do pretty good. But check everything. This literally was in the bottom of the box. Snarf Quest, the book. It looks odd, and odd stuff does sell. This thing is going $45 to $50 on a regular basis, so we are in the profit from this. And the other fun thing, my oldest 6-year-old, he's getting into comics, so he gets kind of the pick of the litter for these as well, just to go through here and see which ones are just, he's learning to read, so he's really loving seeing some of these storylines. But hey, we're still gonna get like 60 bucks at least out of this box.
The flip. They're a size 13.
13, that's a big old size. Oh, 14, even bigger.
13 and 14. Wow. And I think the other one's a 13. And those, he took the laces off at 1-1. I have no idea what he did. They all good?
Yeah, took all 4 even was ready.
Oh, goodness.
How much for these?
$1?
Yeah, that'll work. I saw these nice Nike Air Monarchs. If you know, you know. These are the dad shoe of the century. This is a very large size 14. These should bring in, you know, once all cleaned up, they're not in terrible condition other than being cleaned, about $40. Am I too early?
Huh?
Am I too early?
No, too late. You are too late.
You got the early bird special here.
I get to be early now. I was telling you, I was dating this girl from another school that was chilly. And we were at Pizza Hut down on Madison, North Carolina. And these guys from school come over there because he was taking the quarterback over there. He got mad. You can't feel them, man. There's something wrong. Let me glad eat. Ugh.
Are you selling the golf club separate?
I'd rather sell a whole set, but we can talk.
Okay.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
We appreciate it. All right, we'll be back and pick up the rest.
All right.
Like this.
Barbies.
How are y'all this morning? Beautiful day, isn't it?
Should be
I should
nice.
Put on like a little sweatshirt or jacket, isn't it?
What were you thinking on the whole set? If it was the whole set,
$20.
20 bucks. That's fine. I'll do that. Hey, if you go out there and you have a local lottery and you're playing that, one thing you could do before you do that, give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for just watching so far. But we know that over 50%, it's actually like 60% of the people that do watch our channel, we are thankful for every single view, but they haven't hit that subscribe button. So if you could do that, it's like the lottery win for us, and we greatly appreciate it. Let's get back into these yard sales. Mountaineers.
T-shirts, 50 cents. Anything heavier, maybe $1.
Okay. That one's cool. 2X.
Yesterday, the guy was selling tools.
Uh-huh.
I got that 7 o'clock. I loaded the whole truck up. He
I wish I had some, but I had a little thievery going on here a while back. They took all my tools.
Oh, we had them do that to my house.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, my old pickup truck. I had a big old little job box like this, about this wide, about this long, full of tools. They tried to take it off the tailgate.
So grabbed a few good things out of that t-shirt box and the stuff he had, you know, hanging up. 50 cents for the t-shirts. Got this queen one. It's not vintage. It is a screen print. It'll probably go $10-15. Got this nice West Virginia Mountaineers t-shirt, vintage, made in the USA, base side, heavyweight 2XL. This will go for probably $20. Nice little graphic on there. And also for $1, got this vintage Redskins embroidered logo, nice clean Puma 2XL. This one, I saw one that went up for a bid for $10 plus shipping. I'm probably going to ask $20. This is a really good size here, but not bad for $2.
On the charger?
Yeah.
$3.
Yep, just testing out this TV that I'm probably going to flip on Facebook Marketplace. Got it for free in one of the previous videos. So, you know, test it with a little bit of Pokemon. But picked up Chip and Dale right here. Still with tags. They did tear off the price tag, so I won't list them as totally new, but they still do have the Disney World tags on them. Saw a set of these go for $25 free shipping, so we'll probably at least get, you know, 15-20 bucks. All right, I got the golf clubs. I got these two guys, Chip and Dale.
All right.
Why not? 2 shirts
2 t-shirts and that.
and sweatshirt.
How much your pop?
Hang on just a second.
Oh, okay.
You're fine. 20, 21, 22, 23.
All right. That'd be great.
You want to comment out here this morning?
Hey, sometimes if you're out there at the yard sales, it's just good to listen to the seller. I was just going to buy this Odyssey White Hot 330 mallet. Looking like the sell-through rate is incredible. The shaft is pretty good, little cleaning, but the grip is excellent. And I was going to get like $80 to $100 for this thing once it's all cleaned up, which I'll get it listed quickly. It's that prime time golf season. And I said, would you sell the club by itself? He said, no, I'd rather sell the whole bag. And he kind of talked me into it. I was like, it's a Top Flight XL bag. It's got its kickstands. And I was like, Facebook Marketplace, $40. Okay, $20, not a bad investment. But am I so thankful he talked me into it. I've got this TaylorMade R7 pitching wedge, which is gonna go for $40. Got this Bomb Tech 60 degree. This will go for another $35 to $40. He was definitely on a driving range there. These other irons, not so much, but right over here, this Nike 3-wood 15 degree T40, probably $30 to $40. This thing was nice also. Right here, look at this thing. It's got a little bit of wear and tear, and that kind of concerned me at first. TaylorMade, the RB7 5-wood 25 degree stage 2, but I saw one that was pretty rough and beat up that still went for like $45 to $50. I had no idea about all this stuff, especially this big whamma jamma here. Got the 10.5, the Bomb Tech Golf Driver. This is a good brand that I've never really seen out there. It's got a pretty substantial dent, which would affect it, but just letting you know, if you find this in the wild, I'm gonna make good money on this bag. But this thing, if it didn't have that little condition issue, these have a great sell-through rate as well. Pre-owned $100 drivers, $100 to $150. So I was just super excited that he talked me into taking this for $20, and we're gonna make a couple $100 on this golf bag. Oh yes, another successful Saturday of a few yard sales that we're gonna turn into some really good profit, and this is definitely the season that we need it. Still working on paying for the total of the adoption. If you didn't know, we're adopting our second child since we just had our new baby that came 30 days after we got custody, and we're going through that whole process. We love this little guy, and he's already considered my other son. He's such a great little guy. But we're also in the process. We had to upgrade vehicles, getting a van, and we're not trying to have another car payment. We don't want those. We're working out a deal with someone, giving us a great deal. But yes, any viewer sale, anything like that, any money that comes in, that's what it goes towards. Yes, our business is doing pretty good. It's paying our bills and things like that. With these additional costs, man, we are just appreciative of everyone. They've contributed so much when the baby was born. We can't thank you enough. I don't do stuff like play the lottery, but I'm going to be selling this thing pretty soon as well. I am trying to sell off everything to pay for this van that we're picking up, and also just to have our family complete, a family of 5. If you watched the last video, I'll try to have that at the end here. There's some other news coming up. Some incredible stories have been happening in our lives, and we want you to be a part of it, and we want you to continue to be on a very a really cool journey. That's all I can say right now, because I am working very hard on putting together something special for you all. So many of you have been on this journey. Guys, the channel has been growing. I can't thank you enough. The way you've just liked it, your comments have been so encouraging. This community has just been so great. We've made some really incredible friends through YouTube now. The Stricklands, Rachel and Drew, great people. Derek and Jasmine down in ATL, the ATL Flippers. Troy, Mountain Man, just a legendary guy. I love he and his wife and his daughter. It's just, we've made really good connections through this, and we just consider these people family. And so we're going to be working on something, growing our YouTube family, not just our family at home, but our YouTube family. That's all I can say. I won't talk anymore. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing if you haven't already. Guys, you guys are making this so incredible. You're putting a smile on my face, but we can all make the world a better place. If you're in this business, get a sale, but if nothing else, share a smile. We love you. We'll see you again real soon.